So let's start now. Okay, so before we start, let us all pray. Okay, let's go ahead and close your eyes. Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for all the blessings that we have. Please help my students in grade 7 and grade 2 focus themselves and then review para sa aming exam sa Monday. So, give po sila ng wisdom and knowledge po para masagutan ng exam sa Monday. And then, sana po ay mag-review sila this coming weekend. And then, I hope na maging maayos at huwag po sila magkasakit. And this is my pray. Yan. So, let me share my screen to you. Nakikita? Okay, nakikita ba? MJ, nakikita mo to, MJ? Nakikita niyo ba to? Nakikita to? Gab, nakikita? Say yes kung nakikita. Say yes. MJ. Opo, nakikita. And so, review lang tayo. And find the solution of linear equation. So, this one is we're going to transfer. So, ito yung hinahanap natin yung solution of a linear equation. So, this one is magta-transfer lang tayo to the number to the other side. And so, we're going to combine like terms. So, here we have 2x lang and then plus 7. So, itong kapartner ng 7, we're going to move it to the right side. Then if we're going to move the number to the other side, then the sign will be changed. So 2x plus 7, so 2x equal to 19 minus 7. So, after that, you transfer na, then as you can see, the sign of positive 7, naging siyang negative 7. So, always remember that if we're going to change, if we're going to transfer to the other side, the sign will be changed. So, 22x equal to 19 minus 7, 6, tama? At 6, 12. 12. Okay, it's 12. Ayan, so 12 siya. So, after that, we're going to divide by the number beside x. So, the number beside x is 2. So, move. So, yeah, divide. So, 2 divided by 2 will be 1 x. So, we don't need to write the number 1 na lang. So, that 12 divided by 2 is 6. Keep counting by 2 until you reach 12 is 6. Kasi 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So, I have 6 fingers. The answer is 6. Ayan. So, this is the final answer. X is equal to 6. So, ganyan lang na first. F is you transfer and then change the sign. Ayan, nasa notebook niyo yan. You're going to read your notes in your notebook. I always tell to you to write a note so you can have a reviewer kapag tayo ay nag-exam. Ayan. So, next, let's proceed to the other one. Okay, how about this? If you can see this in your exam, first thing you need to do is you're going to solve for this side. Ayan, okay? Solve for this side. Okay, so 2 times x will be 2x. Then 2 times p will be positive 6. Since they are both positive. So 2 times 3 is 6. By skip counting, we have 2, 4, 6. How many fingers? 3. The answer is 6 is equal to 10. So just like what we do kanina, we're going to transfer the positive 6 to the right side. It will become 2x will become 10 minus 6, right? And then 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So 4 fingers minus 6, the answer is 4. So divide both sides by 2. Always remember to divide both sides by 2. Kasi we need to find the value of x. So 2 divided by 2. 2x divided by 2 is x. Since 2 divided by 2 is 1, we don't need to write the 1 before the x. Equal to 4 divided by 2 is skip counting muna. Okay, use skip counting. I always tell to you to know how to skip count. Add in your mind. Add lang yan. Okay, so 4 divide by 2 is skip counting of 2 for finger. Skip counting of 2 until you reach 4. So we have 2, 4. How many fingers? We have 2. So the answer will be 2. So x equal to 2. Yeah, next. So this is the final answer. You always box your final answer. If you see this kind of equation, you multiply first and then you do the fraction. Okay? Next. Okay, how about this? We have 2x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 7. Okay, so just like what we do kanina, we transfer. Transfer lang tayo. Yan. Kapag transfer, paulit-ulit ko sinasabi, change the sign. So this one, positive 3x, will be moved here to the left. Then itong positive 5 will be moved to the right. So 2x minus 3x. Teacher, why this become negative 3x? Kasi this is positive. If we move to the other side, it will become negative 3x is equal to what left here? Anong natira dito? We have negative 7. Teacher, bakit naging negative? Teacher, why it become negative? Because we have negative 7. Kung ano yung nasa unang sign ng number, yun ang kanyang sign. Okay, next. Positive 5 to the other side, it will become negative 5. So 2x minus 3x is equal to different sign. When we have different sign, instead, we have different signs, so subtract and then copy the bigger one. So the bigger one is here is negative 3x. So 2x minus 3x is equal to negative x equal to negative 7 and negative 5. Same sign. So kapag same sign, add. So negative 7, negative 5 is equal to negative 12. Ayan. So this one is negative 1. So we're going to remove the negative on the x. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. The negative 1, natira na lang ay x equal to negative 12 divided by negative 1 is cancel the positive. Negative, it will become x is equal to 12. So the answer will be x is equal to 12. Ayan, so ganyan lang tayo mag-answer ng find the solution of linear equation. Madali lang. Transfer and change the sign. Solve. And then divide by the number beside x. So as I always say, read your notes. Always read your notes and watch the video from the element. Okay, I know kapag hindi kayo nanood ng element. Okay, next. 4x is equal to 2x plus 12. Well, let's answer this one. Okay, first step is transfer. So we have to transfer 2x to the other side. It will become 4x And then 2x to the other side will become negative. Tama, kasi positive na. Pag minus, magiging negative is equal to, ano matitirang number? We have positive 12. So 4x minus 2x, solve natin. 4x minus 2x, different sign. It will become, and then the bigger one is positive 4. So the answer will be 2x over, 2x is equal to what number is left on the other side? We have 12. Okay, after this, we're going to divide both sides by 2 since the number beside x is number 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Will become x. And then 12 divided by 2 is, keep counting ng 2 until you reach 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12. I have 6 fingers. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this is the answer. So this is how you get the answer. Okay? Next. So next, this one. Let's answer. You want to try? You want to try to answer this? Want mag-try ng answer? Want mag-try? So let's answer this one. Okay, so as you can see, meron ulit tayong ganito. So we have this. So we're going to multiply first. 3 times x is 3x. And then 3 times 1 is 3. Equal 2x plus 7. Copy lang yung nasa right side. And then we're going to move to the other side. Move to the other side. So 3x. And then positive 2x to the other side will become negative 2x. Then equal to 7. Natira dito sa kabila 7 minus 3. Then 3x minus 2x is x since 1 equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. So this is the final answer. Wala na tayong i-divide kasi this is the final answer. Nakuha na natin yun. So we don't have any number naman beside x. So that's it. Next, last. And this one naman, yung ating topic kahapon. Solve for system of linear equation. We're going to substitute the value. Okay, alin dyan ang may value? Y is equal to 7x is equal, and then x minus y is equal to 36. So let's solve. What is the value of y? Okay, as you can see, we have y is equal to 7, meaning yung value ng y, here is we're going to change the y here into 7x. So the x is equal to y, 7x is equal to 36. Yan, as you can see, I change negative y into negative 7x kasi it says here that y is equal to 7x. So, x minus 7x is, as you can see, we have 1 here. So, it will become 1 minus 7 is negative 6x. So, it will equal to 36. And after that, you ano, divide by negative 6. So, negative 6 divided by negative 6 is x. And then 36 divided by negative 6 is, keep counting ng 6 until you reach 36. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. How many fingers do I have? I have 6 fingers. But we have negative here. So, the answer will be negative 6. So, the x here will be negative 6. So, we're going naman after this, nakuha na natin yan sa x. After this, we're going to change this one to, yung lahat ng x dito, we're going to change the values. Ang value ng negative 6. So, we have x here, we have negative, no. This one pala, this one. We're going to use this one kasi we're going to find the value of y. So, 7 times y is equal to 7 times negative 6. So, negative 6 is equal to 7 times negative 6 is equal to, keep counting ng 7 until you reach 6 fingers. So, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 35, and then 42. The answer is negative 42. So the y is negative 42. So this is the answer. Dalawa ang sagot natin. X is equal to negative 6. And then y is equal to negative 42. That's it. Y screenshot. Screenshot lang. Screenshot. This is how we get the X. This is how we get the. Okay, screenshot. After screenshot, okay, let's move on. Nakikinig pa ba? Nakikinig? Okay, next. We have x is equal to 5y. And then 2x plus 4y is equal to 81. 81. Okay, let's substitute the value of x. So we have x here. We have 2. Lahat ng x, papalitan na 5y. So we have 5y plus 4y equal to 81. So 2 times 5y is 10. 10y plus 4y equal to 81. So 10y plus 4y is 14y equal to 81. Divide both sides by the number beside y. We have 14. And then 81 divided by 14 is equal to, what is the answer? 81 divided 14 is 5.7. 5.7. Y is 5.7. So y is equal to 5.7. 5.7 times. Okay, let's find the value of x. Ayan, ito-change lang natin into x is equal to 5 times 5.7. Yung nakuha natin sa y. Palitan natin. What is the answer? 5.7 times 5. X is equal to 28.5. Okay, so ito yung ating final answer. Dalawa ang ating final answer. Medyo mahaba lang siya, pero you can answer naman that through your, with the help of your step. Ayan. So, yung step, isusulat nyo sa index card and then you can bring it on our exam. Okay? Isulat sa index card ang step. Okay, next. Y is equal to 6 and then 4x plus 6y is equal to 12. So, yeah. So, we don't need to find the value of y na kasi the given na yung value ng y. Y is equal to 6. So, problema na lang natin is how to find the value of x. So, value of x, change all of the value of y here into 6. Ayan ba? Yan yung may value ng y natin, di ba? So, 4x plus 6. What is the value of y? We have 6 is equal to 12. So, 4x plus 636 equal to 12. 12, and then move the 36 to the other side since this is where it belongs. And sa belong, ano? So 4x equal to 12. Positive 36 will become negative 36. So 4x equal to 30. 12 minus 36 is negative 24. Since mas malaki yung 36 sa 12. Divide both side by 4. X will be, keep counting ng 4 until you reach 24. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. I have 6 fingers. So, negative 24 divided by 4 is negative 6. Negative 6 kasi yung ating negative 24 is meron siyang negative 9. Ayan. So, ganyan lang kumuha na. So, hindi nga, system of linear equation. Substitute the value of the, given naman na yung mga value, you're going to substitute. Pag sinabi na when we say substitute, we're going to change the y into that number. You change the y into that number. As you can see, this y, we change it into 6. So, that's the meaning of substitute. Okay, next. That's all na lang. That's all for linear, solve for system of linear equation. And so, balikan nyo to. Okay, you watch this video again if you forget how to. Okay? And then you can message me on my messenger account if you have question. Okay, you ask me. So, that's all lang for today. I hope you will enjoy your weekend and then review kasi sa Monday we have face-to-face exam ni mathematics. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye. Bye. May question pa, may question. Nandyan pa ba? Tulog na yata ang grade 7 nito. Wala nang question? Opo.
Wala po.
Wala. Oh, ayun. No, thank you sa
I understand the lesson.
pag-understand. I know naman, I know. So,
Bye-bye po, sir.
bye-bye.